Organize smarter. Live better. And enjoy a well-ordered home with Home Hints organization labels. Imagine your spice cabinet with seasoning labels that not only organize, but specify taste, food usage, and compatible seasonings. Find your ingredients easily and make your cooking experience more enjoyable with Home Hints. Enjoy a healthier cooking using labels that provide uses, health indicators, and smoke points. Choose your favorite dishes and glasses easily with Home Hints kitchen cabinet labels. With Home Hints you get unique labels for your linen closet. Labels for guests, kids, and various linen sizes. Create your own coffee station and quickly find your perfect blend with Home Hints coffee labels. Make every wash count and choose the right cleaning agent with Home Hints laundry labels. Home Hints even has labels for first aid and medication. Now family members can quickly identify appropriate first aid items. Elevate your home organization using food storage and cleaning materials labels. And Home Hints has labels for everyone's closet, men's, ladies, and kids. Now kids know exactly where clothing items should be. With over 270 labels you also get over 120 label holders. Just slide the label into holder and clip it onto the shelf's edge. Transform spaces in less than 1 hour. Everyone in the household can easily find and return items. Label existing cabinets and shelves without having to invest in expensive storage solutions. No single-use adhesive waste. These labels are an eco-friendly choice for organizing your home. Visit homehints.com to learn more and see all the labels.